Let's review a couple options you have for your keyboard. I'm going to go to my screen recording icon at the top, and this time I'm going to click on this box that says Sound on Click. What this is going to do is every time I click my mouse, it is going to give a little clicking sound. And this is actually surprisingly helpful. It really lets you know your audience when you're actually clicking the mouse and doing something. It makes it easier for them to follow. So let's listen to a quick example of this in action. Let's look at a couple keyboard options. Again, from the screen recording menu, right here under keyboard, I'm going to click on this box that says Show Keystrokes. So you have a couple different options here. The first one is to show all keystrokes, and the second one is to show only the modifier keys. So first I'm going to demonstrate showing all keystrokes. For this next demonstration, instead of showing all keys, I'm only going to show the modifier keys like Shift, Command, Control, and things like that. By the way, you can also adjust the size of the keystrokes, the height, the position, and so forth. Okay, so this is showing the modifier keys. And that is a couple of your keyboard options. Super simple.